they'd been at the Last Supper, they would have asked for chips.
I think you're going to smash this, you know. I think you're going to be really good.
Oh, thank you. Thank you. I really appreciate that. I need all the confidence I can get.
I think the thing is that you have an excellent ear and you're very good at mimicking. So are you a singer?
I try, but I'm actually quite shitty. I love it, but I'm not good.
Right. So the thing is that singers tend to be very good mimickers at accents. And so you're very good at repeating back basically what I'm saying, but it's about remembering which part of the mouth the tone is coming out, remembering that extra breath, and not heading too far north and heading into Scotland, or heading off to the side and going up north, and just keeping it down where Liverpool is. But what I think we can do is we could maybe smash out all of these pages if we literally just go one after the other, and then if I get stuck on a word. But I reckon if I just go into super speed mode and we just literally just smash it, we'll just keep going. If you get stuck on a word, we'll go back over it. And then I have this thing that I refer to as the Valentine method. If they were at the Last Supper, they'd have asked for chips, and I wouldn't mind, and then just carry on from there, and I'll just have a listen.
Okay. They were that type, you know, if they'd been at the Last Supper, they would have asked for chips. And they wouldn't mind, but the family on the next table joined in as well and started complaining about everything. And I'm sitting there dead embarrassed out of me mind, because there's this poor Greek waiter trying to serve our main course, and he's got to listen to this lot going on about his country as though it's in the fourth world.
Okay, I'm going to stop you. You've headed off up to Scotland a little bit.
Fuck. I mean, sorry,
So like with the Scouse accent, right? The E, it's like the E sound is like, let's go back. I'm just going to read it for you so you can hear the difference. And I wouldn't mind, but the family on the next table joined in as well and started complaining about everything. And I'm sitting there dead embarrassed out of my mind, because there's this poor Greek waiter trying to serve our main course. So yeah,